in this video we will be creating our very first schema. Now what the heck is a schema? So schema is basically a blueprint, right, which we need to tell MongoDB that, hey MongoDB, we are going to store these kind of data, right? Yeah, so this is basically a kind of blueprint. So schema is basically a kind of blueprint, you can say. Okay, so in here I'll be creating a folder. I'll give it a name of models, and inside this model I'll create a user model, user.js. Okay, now first we need to require mongoose const mongoose mongoose equal to require mongoose, right? And here I can write const user schema and new mongoose dot s should be capital in here, schema, and this takes an object, and here we can write all the fields. So the first one will be the name. So user will have a name and it will be of type string, and here we can add required, right? So this will be a required field, and require will set to true. We will set it to true. Okay, we will also, user will also have an email, and that will be also of type string, string, and it will be also a required field. Required will set to true, and user will have a password password, and again this will be of type string, and this will be also this field will be also required, and we can set it to true. And I think this is it for now, right? So we need 3 fields as of now. Now we can export or we can now make use of this mongoose.model, and here we can give a name to our model. Let's say user, right? U is capital in here, and here we can pass this user schema, right? Okay, now we need to register this model in our app.js, right? So here we can use this require and /, and models. Inside this model we have this user model, like so. Now here you can see we are not storing it in a constant, because we are not exporting it, right, from in here. We are not exporting it. We have just written this mongoose model. We haven't written here something like module dot exports and like so, because a lot of people uses this approach, right? They export and they can use it in any other file where they want, but sometimes we get error that, hey, you have used this model in this one place, so you cannot require that or use that model in another file. So to prevent from that error, I am using this approach, right? So I am just here writing mongoose and model, and I am registering this like so, and I can use that model by just typing mongoose.model and the name of that model, that is user. I can use that like so. Okay, so we will be using it very soon. I'll show you that. Okay, and I think this is it for this video. We will continue further in the next video.